These may not look like much, but these 5-gallon brine bags have helped me year over year with my Thanksgiving turkey. It's a 10-pack and you can brine just about anything with these. They're super durable and are exactly what you need for brining. Let me show you. Here is one of the bags. They are huge. I never use the whole bag, but if you were putting this in a 5-gallon bucket, it would be perfect. I'll show you how I use it in a moment, but here is how thick it is. You can see my hand in there. Nothing is going to drip out of that, and that's why I really do trust it. Sticking in my turkey, you can see how much excess bag there is, and that is fine, as the way I do it is coming up. Now I will put it inside the roaster just in case. There's always a chance there's a drip, and I am not going to risk that. And then I'm just going to pour in my brine solution. And then once you're done with that, this is where there's a lot of different methods. If I had put it in a 5-gallon bucket, I could have weighted it to make sure the bird stayed under the brine. But my trick is just getting it really, really tight with rubber bands. So I'll put a big rubber band around the top, get that as tight as possible, and then I'll actually add more rubber bands as necessary to the corners to just get that brine as tight to the bird as I can. Another way to get it really tight is to actually push it up against the side of the roasting pan, and that will also help quite a bit. But in the end, this is a very easy and clean way to brine, and it lets me keep my turkey in the fridge until I'm ready to use it.